People buy into a hype for a variety of reasons. Hype can create a sense of excitement and anticipation, making people feel like they are part of something big or exclusive. It can also tap into people's desire to be part of a trend or to experience something new and excitement. Additionally, social influence and peer pressure can play a role in driving people to buy into a hype. As an individual may feel compelled to participate in something that others are enthusiastic about. Marketers and advertisement often use hype to generate interest and drive sales for products or events. Back in 2021, we also had another hype that influenced us to buy Sab Zenzele shares, guys. Welcome to the channel. My name is LindyShirries. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome to the family. And it doesn't matter where you come from, who you are, what you do, you too can make money online. In today's video, I am going to talk about Sab Zenzele shares, guys. I invested money during the hype. There's a reason why I recorded this video, because I feel this is the time for you to buy Sab Zenzele shares. Guys, we made a mistake and bought during hype, and I lost 76% of the money that I spent when I bought these shares. So without wasting time, let's just go and evaluate what is Sab Zenzele shares, why you must buy now, what lessons did I learn, what is the current value of this share. Guys, we are going to talk more about Sab Zenzele shares. Let's go to my laptop. For those of you who do not know what is Sab Zenzele Kabili shares, it is a new BBBE scheme launched by Anheuser-Busch, InBev SA, NV, and the South African Breweries, that is SAB, guys, to give retailer partnership employees and qualifying members of the public who invest in the scheme an opportunity at real ownership in the company. The company is listed in Johannesburg Stock Exchange, that is JSE. Sab Zenzele Kabili shares started trading in May 2021 at an initial share price of 40 Rand after gaining public attraction, with many South Africans grabbing the opportunity to become shareholders. Question is, why did we find interest in Sab Zenzele shares? Retailer shareholders who had invested 100 Rand back in 2010 would have received a total pre-tax payout of 77,518 if the transaction was fully unwounded. Sab Zenzele Kabili trades its equity on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange JSE under the stock symbol called SZK. The current share price of Sab Zenzele Kabili share is currently sitting at 36 Rand 50. Where can you buy this share if you are interested? You can buy this share simply from your Capitec app, or you can buy from Easy Equity, or you can just find a forex broker from a list of brokers that are available in South Africa. You just have to go and compare the prices, the fees, and see which one is reputable. Guys, do remember that I'm not a financial advisor. Everything that I'm sharing here is something that I am doing, and you have to do your own investigation. Before sharing the lessons that I've learned, I want us to go to my laptop so we can go into my Easy Equity account, and then you can see how much I've invested, how much I've lost. Am I going to give up and withdraw whatever amount I have? No. Remember the last people who bought these kind of share, they actually spent 100 Rand and then they've gained way too much. So I'm just going to leave this. And when it comes to shares, guys, you just have to think long term. So when you go to Easy Equity account, you would see that there's TFSA, there's Easy Equity USD, there's Demo ZAR, there's Demo USD, and then there's also Easy Equity ZAR. But then I am going to focus on BEE share scheme. So when you click it, it will show you what you currently have. So when you see here, the current value, it is actually sitting at around 1,512, and I've lost 4,970. So this is a 76% loss. So when I talk about buying during hype, that's when the price will go up, but then everything will go down, guys. So now when you go down, you click on holding, and then you can see even more information, the purchase value. So this is what I've spent, 6,481. That's the amount I spent, and then this is what I have, and the current price At the moment, it's sitting at around 36 Rand 50. So this is the best time for you guys to buy, guys. This is the best time for you guys to buy. You are buying at a cheaper price. So keep accumulating, and then you will have the price going up when the time is ready, guys. So this is basically the profit and loss that I have, which is sitting at around negative 4,970, 76%, close to 80% lost. So now, guys, for those of you who do not have an Easy Equity account, guys, I'll leave the link on the video description for you to create an account. And then once you're here, you will go to menu, and then you will have to deposit funds. So you will click deposits, and then under deposit, you will copy the information that you want. So if you are using ABSA, you will copy this information. Remember, the reference links to your account, it has to be different. So if you are using Standard Bank, this is for you to deposit money into Easy Equity account. You will select, and then once you have money in your Easy Equity account, then you can continue to buy. I do have a video showing you how to buy, but the easiest way to buy, guys, it is through the Capitec app, guys. So use the Capitec app to buy, guys. Also with Easy Equity, you can go to Demoza and see what would happen if you were to buy like your Capitec shares, like your Coca-Cola shares, like your Woolworths shares. So this is for you to practice, so that when you start trading, you'll have a clue, guys. So this is what I currently have on my Easy Equity account. So the lesson learned is that during hype, we shouldn't buy. So when a share is listed on JSE or Stock Exchange or Nasdaq, just like Coinbase, guys, remember when it was launched or when it was listed, people were ready to buy, and people actually waited. It's like buying an iPhone 17 or iPhone 16. I don't even know what's the current version. People will go to shops, people will want to buy as soon as it's launched, but then the price will eventually go down, because some of these people who are buying will withdraw during the hype to make profit, and that time the price will go down, and you will never know how the stock is going to perform in the next coming few months. So you rather wait when the price is low, start buying that share. So yeah, guys, I hope you found value on this video. And guys, do remember I offer one-on-one session on Zoom. If you want to make money online and you just want to personalize it, we can have that session for only $20. And if you are in South Africa, it is 350 Rand. That's it, guys, for today's video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, comment, guys. We do need the algorithm to share this video to many people. Thank you so much for watching.